Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up the original file. This prevents accidental loss. Open the EPS in a vector editor that preserves fonts and linked images because embedded content increases size. Delete unused layers, hidden objects, and any artwork outside the artboard. This immediately shrinks the file. Once done, flatten visible trims or masks where possible because complex clipping paths bloat file structure. Make sure to save a working copy and keep the backup separate so you can compare sizes later. Now focus on what usually adds the most bytes: images and fonts. You should replace large embedded rasters with linked, optimized files. Linked images let you compress externally and keep the EPS lean. Downsample high-resolution images to 150-300 ppi for print or 70-150 ppi for screen because excessive resolution is unnecessary. Then subset fonts or convert non-critical text to outlines to avoid embedding full font family. For the final step, export carefully. Use save as with minimal compatibility settings, disable PDF compatibility if not needed, and turn off thumbnails and editor metadata. These extras add hidden kilobytes. Strip unnecessary color profiles and document metadata to trim further. If the EPS still seems large, inspect the file for duplicated objects, leftover embedded artwork, or unused embedded color swatches. These are common culprits. If you hit a roadblock, reopen your backup to compare versions and isolate which edit caused growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.